All right, so I have audio working. For some reason, the picture isn't working. Give me a minute. This is ridiculous. Oh, 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 oh. I think I've got picture. Let's find out if I got picture. I have some form of picture. Oh, come on. Let's get this all settled out. Let's figure this out. Let's see if it comes up and running. It's the problem when you are dealing with all this technology. No, I don't want to fade to black. Stop fading me to black. Go away. Stop. Where is it? Picture. Guys, welcome. This is so funny. Let's just flip over here. I'm going to throw up there. Okay. I'm going to throw myself over there. I'm a black circle, black square right now. Go figure. Welcome. Good morning, crypto land. Go figure. I'll keep futzing around, and one of these things will turn on my camera. It does this periodically. This is the Blackmagic A10 Mini. It tends to do things okay. But anyways, I was looking at KNC over here. Good morning, Crypto Land. I am the Crypto Apostle over here in my dark little corner. It actually says something over there. That's funny. What does it say? Because it's not saying it on my side. I can't even see. Oh, well. Yeah, go figure. Gonna be one of those days. Yep. I am the Crypto Apostle. This is the Crypto Apostle. This is not financial advice. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, something like that. Anywho, we were talking about KNC. Good morning, Caleb. You and I were talking about KNC, and we've got... You know what? I'm just going to flip audio on. Oh, wait. I think I've got picture. Maybe. You know, I wonder if it's Discord that's causing problems. That's funny. You can barely see me. Okay. Anywho, whatever. We're moving on. Caleb and I were talking about KNC. Good morning, Caleb. You got your bags cleared. That's always good to hear. Bot been dead for the last month. Yeah, I understand. I'm dealing with the same thing. Trying turning it on and off again. I did that about 3 or 4 times. And it seems to be having some serious fun issue. Go figure. I've tried everything. Howdy. All you need now are kids and animals for your store. Nearly beer time here. Ha ha. Beer time is... Wow. Why? Yeah. Lovely. Anywho, KNC. That's always fun. That's great to see. Man, that pump is beautiful. What do we do on that pump? That pump's like 75% pump yesterday. Man, you guys, that would make anyone happy. That almost makes up for the total loss that started over on May 18th. So hopefully that keeps going up. You know, Kyber has been a weird performer over the last year. It's traditionally like gone up, gone down, done all sorts of crazy stuff. You know, as you can see, it's very much something that loves to get pumped up. And I think someone's being a market maker and doing some manipulation, but if you can take advantage of that, that's great. That's great. Yeah, Bitcoin is at 37,000. Bitcoin is in the middle of what appears to be consolidation. This is on the 4-hour chart. The actual volume is going down as the higher lows, there are definitely higher lows going on, are going up, and the highs are going down, so we're consolidating. And maybe this bear trap, because people are now starting to believe this to be a bear trap, will finally, do something the next few days. Now, remember, when we're in this pattern, we do periodically, and it happens frequently, we do end up falling out before we go up. So it's not too... I would not be surprised if we did fall back down and test, say, 33, 32,000, maybe even a little lower. Maybe even retest over here. What is this? This is 33, 33, 30. Wow, 33333333. I would not be surprised if we retested that. Yeah, my video's frozen, Lars. I've tried everything. I've turned on and off again my my thing. It's really annoying me now. Let me yeah. It's annoying. It's the A10 Mini that's causing problems. And that is the joys. I don't know. I've tried a couple of things. Let's just turn everything. We'll try to start that fresh. See if that works. It's typical. Yeah, now it's giving the questionable mark. I love when it does that. Yeah, my video is being funky. Let's see if now it's pulling something. It's got some wording on it that I can't read because it's not showing up on my end. It's not showing up at all on my end. And that's just not fun. And re-adding it and adding it again is not working. And yeah, so welcome. I figured we just move ahead. Moving ahead is always the best thing to do in these situations. So yeah, there's Bitcoin. Eventually, maybe the video decides to do something. I don't have any more channels to go on. I think it's time this computer gets replaced anyways. Yeah, so what's next? Here, I can even just switch over to an audio capture channel and get rid of how... Move this over. There we go. We've got audio going and no weird black picture showing up on the screen. Joy above all joys. So yeah, there we go. Ethereum. Ethereum is Ethereum. Ethereum is inside of its channel right now, which is really great. Hopefully this goes up and gets separation. That, again, also consolidation. I think all of these things really consolidation. Cardano is way up. Another one I saw that was way up that's doing really good right now is our good little friend Matic. Matic is definitely looking very healthy. Matic is looking very, very, very healthy. How is everyone? What is a bear trap? What usually happens when that occurs? Well, bear trap is meant so that all the people who have weak hands sell their coins to those of us who have enough money to pay for them. Oh, you were at the family cabin, Mark? Schrodinger's millionaire for a few days because I couldn't check Bitcoin price. That's probably the best, man. I've been working so much that I haven't even had a chance to really look at the Bitcoin price. Let's look at Investopedia. Usually has the best bear trap. Investopedia. They usually explain these things fairly well. What is a bear trap? False reversal of a declining price trend. Boop. It is a false reversal of a declining price trend. Bear traps can tempt investors to take long positions based on anticipation of price movements that do not occur. Yep. It's a false technical indication of reversal from a down to an up market that can lure unsuspecting investors. These can occur in all types of asset markets, including equities, futures, bonds, currencies, and crypto. Bear trap is often triggered by a decline that induces market participants to open short sales, which then lose value in a reversal when participants must cover the shorts. Because these people are definitely doing shorts right now. There's a lot of people who are putting some shorts in. Yeah. So there's your answer, sir. There is your answer about what a bear trap is. So yeah, and there is the opposite. There are bull traps as well. So Glassnode, the supply is kind of middling. Overall supply is interesting. All exchanges over the last year, we've actually seen an uptrend in how much Bitcoin is on the exchanges. So they've been getting a hold of a lot of Bitcoin and putting it onto the exchanges. That will get snapped up. That will definitely get snapped up. So it's a little harder to see where that supply squeeze is happening. We have had a declining amount of Bitcoin since approximately March 13th of 2020. And we've gone from having over 3 million Bitcoin on the exchanges to now around, we've lost 500,000 Bitcoin off the exchanges to cold wallets and long-term storage. This will, we've seen pop-ups previously. This will eventually start downtrending again, which will also push prices up. All of these things are going to happen. Percent of supply and profit is most definitely on the low side. We are still meddling around the 70% range of supply and profit, which we have not seen since way back here on July 16th. All sorts of positive news. People are saying, is this a bear trap? They're all expecting the altcoins to start rallying. If the altcoins do rally, we're going to see, of course, our dominance signals coming back in. And you can see that Bitcoin dominance is starting to drop again, which is a good sign that altcoins are ready to rally. Ethereum dominance is pretty solidly across. If this starts peaking up further, you can see the Ethereum price itself is also going to go up. Cardano obviously is not doing a push today, it looks like. That's a 4-hour. But it is way up. Our Cardano dominance is way up. There's a lot of stuff happening in July for both Cardano and Ethereum. Ethereum is getting the new improvement protocol, which is going to start the coin burn. I mean, $2,700 Ethereum is a really freaking great price. And if you can, it might be a good time to pick it up because those coins are going to start burning. And once they start burning, the supply squeeze is going to happen on Ethereum. It won't start immediately, but a few months down the line, the more transactions happen on the chain, the less Ethereum there will be. And that's really good for Ethereum price. Cardano, of course, has staking already. There is no Cardano coin burn, but I don't think they'd do it. You'd see the research papers first before they decided to do a burn, and I don't know what the theory is for Cardano behind yay or nay on burn. I doubt it. Ethereum itself, the miners are way out of control, so... Coffee. What else is going on? We are now on the new futures chart. BTCM 2021. The old futures chart is gone. This is for June. June 2021 CME futures chart. So that'll be what we're watching when we get to the weekend. Although not having to watch it too much because we're not hitting higher highs that we have to be really worried about those CME gaps. Yeah. Filecoin is still doing poopy and terribly. How is everyone doing? What coins are you working with? Total 2. We're almost back up to the $1 trillion range. We haven't been in $1 trillion range for the market cap without Bitcoin since the 20th of May. We'll definitely head there again. We'll be there. Bitcoin's price to be $1 trillion market needs to be around 54,000, and that will definitely, it's really hard to see how much extra money has flowed in since Bitcoin has been down. But total 2 with Bitcoin, total 2 with Bitcoin, not bad. $1.6 trillion. Doge apparently got listed on Coinbase yesterday. Anyone else playing with live shorting hoppers? I have not. How has it been working for you, Mark? Have you been enjoying the shorting? I have just been leaving my hopper alone. I haven't looked at my hopper in about 3 weeks at this point. I've been so busy. If you guys do not know what we're doing Crypto Hopper. It is an algorithmic trading bot, and it allows us to do different strategies. Many of us are doing scalping or Profit Hero to get more fiat. Yeah, and you can do a fake short, and I don't know. I played with it on my paper traders. And it worked all right. It was fine. It was definitely up. It seemed like, in theory, it definitely worked. So if people can get it going live, that's awesome. That's the most important thing. Yeah. What else? BNB's up. BNB's looking very healthy. That must be getting ready for the next leg. That's definitely looking very healthy. JCK1984, really interested in the shorting setup. I want my portfolio a bit more recovered. Yeah, the thing is you really do have to do the shorting setup before a correction, not in the middle of it. It's definitely weird. Losing money overall, not much, but paper shorting is definitely different. So, the problem with the paper trading bots and with their backtesting on Crypto Hopper is that they do not necessarily work. Now, granted, backtesting is about the past, not the future, so it's never going to be 100%, obviously. But however, it seems as though there's some wonky different things that we've seen reports on the forums, including that if you have multiple paper trading accounts, they may be all grabbing certain information at the same time and using the same account. Something really weird. Use Vicrets settings in Discord with a few MACD enabled disabled triggers. Interesting. For the paper. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, in theory it works. I definitely did it. It definitely was working for a bit, but I've moved a lot of my Bitcoin-based trading somewhere else. Yeah, that's as much as I'll say about that. The fiat, though, I'm ready for the fiat to come back, but I think we're still a ways away from fiat coming back in and the market coming back in fiat. Coinbase, probably the worst stock to invest in. Goodness sakes. 241. That just looks like poop. If this was crypto, we would say that's a poop chart. It's worse than a poop chart. Like, there are some people who made a lot of money at 428. There's a lot of supply out of profit, we would say. So, yeah. What's everyone up to? I think we, tomorrow, Friday, we don't have a lot of liquidations to worry about. I would say we're still a week away from we've got a week or 2 weeks away from the bigger liquidations that are coming up. But we've definitely got a big one mid-June, if I remember right. May 18th. April 17th, so we probably got a big one around the 15th. So about 2 weeks off. Yeah. I hope everyone is having a good day. At least the weather is sort of recovering. We had such a stormy weekend last weekend. But things are kind of quieted down, so I am going to get my day started. Sorry the video didn't work. I'm going to have to look into that and figure out what's going on. That's probably some weird issue with Wirecast. I use Wirecast. If you guys have not already subscribed, make sure that you hit our lovely subscribe button and do hit the notification bell. I do stream 4 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday service. Sunday. I've been trying to keep things around 9 or 10 o'clock. My work schedule is still stabilizing, so I've been having some trouble with that. But have been trying to keep it. I'm on. Go out, walk the dog, have a good day, get some fresh air in your body. And I